Dear viewers, I am Alamgir Hussain from Life Class 24. In this video, I will show you how to make a website within 5 minutes. Making a website is very easy and anybody can make it own self. If you are a businessman, freelancer, job seeker, doctor, engineer, lawyer, or any other professionals, a website can increase your credibility, identity, and branding of your business. So this video is very important for you. After viewing this video, you will be able to make, edit, and operate your website own self. A website consists of a domain, hosting package, and a design. A domain is the address or name of a website. Suppose prothomalo.com is a newspaper website. www.prothomalo.com is a domain. You must buy a domain from domain service provider company. You can buy a domain from $5 to $10. Hosting. Hosting is the place where the content and data of your website will be stored or located. You must buy a hosting package. You can buy a hosting package from $10 to $50. The price of a hosting package depends on the space you require. If you want to make a WooCommerce website, then you require more space. For this reason, you have to pay more money for large space hosting package. Design. Design is the look of your website. There are thousands of designs available online free. You will not have to buy a design. You will get it free online. Dear viewers, let's start. If you did not still subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel now and also click bell icon to get notification of my update. We know to make a website we need a domain and a hosting package. I have bought a domain named www.ruposhi.tv and also bought a hosting package. My hosting service provider has sent a user ID, password, and hosting control panel to my email ID. This is my hosting control panel link. Just copy this link and paste in the address bar of browser. Then press enter. Now input username and password here, then click login. This is the control panel interface of hosting package or hosting server. Now from here, under software section, we will select Softculous Apps Installer. Click here. To make a dynamic website, we need CMS. Dynamic website means anybody can make or operate website without knowing any coding. To make a dynamic website, we need CMS. CMS means content management software and CMS is free. WordPress, Joomla and many other CMS we see here, but we will use WordPress. Most of the websites of the world use WordPress as CMS, and using WordPress is very easy. So click here on the logo of WordPress. Now click on Install Now button. This is our domain name ruposhi.tv, and WP we will delete here. From here you can change the site name from here, or we will change it later, so no need. You will give an username. So I am giving the username admin, and I will give a password here. I am giving a easy password. This is demo password. This is demo password. You will not use password. You will use always difficult password. You know, I think, what type of password, but what you will use for password. You can input your email ID here. You can select language from here. Then create a classic editor. There are 4 demo design. You can select any one from here. Then click on install. WordPress has already been installed, and also our website has already been made. Now we can write our domain name or address of our website www.ruposhi.tv in the address bar of the browser and press enter. We can see our website. Dear viewers, see that our website has already been made, but website is not nice looking, so I will change the design, change the theme. We will use a nice theme, nice looking theme. So what we will have to do, this is the admin panel link from where we can edit or operate our website. So we can click here, or we can go to the address bar, then write www.ruposhi.tv/WordPress admin. Press enter. Then input username. My username is admin and password is, then click on login. This is the WordPress interface. This is the area from where we can edit or operate our website. So now I will change the design. I will use an awesome design, nice looking design. So how I can do it? Under appearance, click themes. Themes means design. In WordPress, design is called theme. So to change our design, you can select any design from here, or we can, to change design we will have to click on add new button. There are many designs are available here free. You can use any one of these. If you click on install, this design will be installed, but I will use a nice theme. The theme name is blog 99. So I have written the theme name on the search bar. The theme is existing here, blog 99. I will install it now. To install it, I have to click on install button. The design has already been installed. Now I will have to activate it. Click on activate. Click get started with blog 99. The blog 99 design has already been installed and activated, but now I will have to import demo data of the design. demo data and demo content I will import now. So click install importer plugin, go to importer page. There are 6 options of 99 block. That means there are 6 design of 99 block. I am going to use this design. You can use any one of these. So I am using this design. Click import. Yes, import. This is our website, and our website is looking very nice. It's looking very fantastic. Dear viewers, we have already made our website and we have changed a design. You are now viewing this website. You can now, anybody from anywhere of the world can view our website, writing the domain name www.ruposhi.tv in the address bar of the browser. Now I will change the data and contents of the website totally. The top section of the website is called header, the bottom section of the website is called footer, and the right section of the website is called right side, and the left side of this website is called main content area. This is the main content area. When we will make post, the latest post will be shown here. The image of the latest post will be shown here with the headline, and the content of the post, and also the post will be shown here. This is the main content area. When we will make more and more post, the post will be shown here.